Yes, hello, my friends on the internet. I'm really happy to share with you my latest portfolio. It's built with Grit, and as you can see, it's looking very nice here. So to take you through Grit, Grit is a new framework that we are using at DesiSub. It's Golang with React, and if I can just show you, like this is React working on the web, on the front end, and if you can read here, the batteries included framework for CRMs, admin dashboards, SaaS products, and internal tools. So Golang is used in the backend and React, of course, on the front end. So these are the pages I'm having, the projects, and these ones are coming from the dashboard. They're about the templates. So in this new portfolio, I added courses. The courses, I haven't added any course yet, and I'm going to be taking you through those who want to learn like how to use Grit framework. I'm going to be adding courses, the short courses on the prerequisites of Grit, and that is Golang. Those who don't know much about Golang, they're going to go through the basics, variables, pointers, interfaces, and all that. And also those who don't know about Next.js, I'll also be taking you through. And to show you more about like Grit, I have this admin, and this admin is like it's the dashboard for my products, templates, and where I'm going to be adding all the things on the web. So it also has the API. All these come in Grit. Shall be seeing more about Grit and the docs. We have Swagger. Those who like Swagger. We also have like Scala, and I think you love Grit a lot because it also has like the Go Playground where you can just come and start testing your code and all that. So I'm not going to talk much. Like if I can just show you a bit of it works with Docker, as you can see, the container. If to show you like to show you like more about the code, we have the admin, we have the API, we have the web. Like this all comes like in a monorepo. So this is really nice, guys. I'm going to link the links in the description for those who want to learn, or you can reach out me here. So thank you guys, and I would like to end here. Goodbye.